Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, I hope you all enjoyed your Diwali vacation well, and now we are back to studies after a long break. So now we will start a new chapter in our subject English grammar, and that is verbs, singular and plural. As we have studied in chapter 14 about verbs, now we will move further with the topic verbs. So take out your textbooks. So children, in your grammar textbook, take out page number 48, chapter 15, verbs, singular and plural. Now we will read the sentences using some pictures. Okay, so let us see. Read these sentences. Let us start. So you have to pay attention and underline the important points. The book is interesting. Grandma has a walking stick. You remember verbs? The book is interesting. Is a verb. Grandma has a walking stick. Has is a verb, right? Now let us see why we are reading these sentences. Is and has are singular verbs. Yes, they are verbs. But वो singular है या plural? Is used for only one person. So is and has both are such that they are used for one person. See. So both the words will be singular verbs. Okay. Now let us move further. Now read these sentences. The books are interesting. Grandma and grandpa have walking sticks. Previous sentence में क्या था? Is and has, which was used for only one person. Now books. Books becomes plural. तो plural के साथ क्या यूज हुआ? are. Grandma and grandpa दो जने हो गए. In the previous sentence it was only about grandma, but now two people are there. So for plural we use have, not has. So are and have, what will they become? Yes, they are verbs, but they are plural verbs. Okay. Now, we notice that in examples 1 and 2, we used singular verbs, right? Which were is and has. Because the subjects book and grandma singular थे. इसीलिए हमने क्या use किया था? Is and has in sentence 1 and 2. Examples. While in examples 3 and 4, we used plural verbs are and have. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें जो subject था that was plural. Books and grandma and grandpa. Two people were there. So you understood the difference. When do we use singular verbs and when do we use plural verbs? It depends on the subject. वो singular है या plural. So is and has are the examples of singular verbs, while have and are the examples of plural verbs. Now let us move further. See, now what we have to study. This means that with singular nouns or pronouns we use singular verbs. It depends on nouns. With plural nouns or pronouns we use plural verbs. Now let us know more about singular and plural verbs. This was just a short introduction. Now we will study about which three words? Is, are, am. Okay. अब हम सीखेंगे is, are and am के बारे में. We use is with singular nouns or pronouns. हम is कब use करते हैं? जब हम कोई एक जने के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. When we talk about singular noun or pronoun. See, examples. She is an intelligent student. So यहाँ पे she क्या है, एक ही जनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. सो she के साथ क्या आया, is, सिंगुलर वर्ब. ज्योति इज नॉटी. नाउ ज्योति एक ही लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ज्योति इज सिंगुलर नाउन, सो इज विल कम विद ज्योति. नाउ वी यूज आर विथ प्लूरल नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस. आर, द वर्ड आर हम कब यूज करते हैं, प्लूरल नाउन्स के साथ. प्लूरल मीन्स मोर देन वन, राइट. सी एग्जाम्पल, दे आर इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स. दे मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा, एंड आपको स्टूडेंट्स से भी हिंट मिल सकती है. देर आर प्लूरल फॉर्म, दैट इज वाई स्टूडेंट्स इज यूज्ड. सो दे आर इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स. दे प्लूरल प्रोनाउन है, इसीलिए दे के साथ क्या यूज हुआ, आर. ओके, इज दिस मच क्लियर. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, मीना एंड रीना आर फ्रेंड्स. We are talking about more than one person, Meena and Reena. They both are friends. So R is used with the plural form. Okay. Meena and Reena are plural nouns. So plural के साथ plural verb. Now we use am only with I. So you have understood the use of the word is. Is used for singular. You have understood the use of words are. Are is used with plural. Now you have to learn about am. Am is used only with I. I am going, I am coming. Okay, am कब use होता है, only with the word I. See, I am a student. I am happy. Right students, you have understood this part? See, I hope this is clear for you. The use of singular verbs. So, singular verbs you have understood, plural verbs you have understood, and mark this important. Then you have understood the use of is, are and am, right? So, in our next class, we will continue with this box. Okay, till then you revise what we have studied today. So now we will meet in our next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.